Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS in Sydney. It's James here. How are you today? In this video, we would like to share something very special for Lexus IS350 generation 2006, 2012. But actually, we applied this one as the one in between end of 2010 and 2012 section. Now, what I want to say is this car already came with a 40, very famous 40 issue that you already seen in other video we mentioned. It has the program cannot be read, and please consult the dealer. The car already stayed with us in a good time, and we already work on the plan to install a dual Kenwood amplifier into the car, and absolutely the system already worked very well for the dual plug-in Kenwood amplifier. So there's no problem on our Kenwood amplifier and wiring system that we design as a plug and play into this car. It already fixed that, no audio sound and no camera thing, and also it already fixed to get in 2 of those buttons into the new system with that one. However, we still spend more time to work into this car, and something we actually reach to a point that today we want to share with you. So have a look at this. Okay, so look at here. This is the factory Mark Levinson amplifier, which we already removed from the very first day of the work, to start with our system of the Kenwood dual Kenwood amplifier. You can see that the Kenwood down there. Okay, that's the first amplifier we already installed there, and second Kenwood is right here. Okay, so 2 of the Kenwood already stay there nicely, everything already set in the place. But today this video actually showing something very different. You see that the Kenwood, the second Kenwood there, and we already set up everything plug and play in with that 2 Kenwood. But why we make this video today? Because something you never seen, you never heard before. Look at this. We plug in the factory Mark Levinson amplifier back into the place. 1, 2, 3, 4, exactly as we actually plug into our 2 Kenwood amplifier here. Now we plug back the factory amplifier unit to do what? To show that actually our system here today has something new. We are able to fix up the issues of the program cannot be read, consult a dealer, and still using the factory amplifier here. Okay, still keep using the factory amplifier. We already did the job with the Kenwood. At the time we didn't know that we could retain this one, and only until now we do more work, more work, and now the work actually settled to the point we get this one working plug and play, 100% working well, very well. And now coming back here, have a look at that. That's the new system that we are working on, and it connects to all the computer setup from the car. It show all the door open, reverse camera, automatic, everything connect like normal. Our Lexus system should work. And furthermore, the reason that we come to this point actually because of the button here. We were thinking so much of how to get the button on the left side work more into the new conversion thing that we've done, and today we found something very, very happy. So 3 of these buttons, they work. Okay, but I should mention that they work a little bit different than the icon on the top here, but doesn't matter, they connect to the new system. And on this one, the 2 of the button for the volume works very well, but not the 3 button, unfortunately. But that would be enough to make us happy, because 5 button, beautiful. You can answer the phone call, done. Now the new system works really nice. The sound is, you know, better than the factory because it still keep using the factory amplifier and all the, you know, 16 speaker and tweeter and woofer and original amplifier. And add in on that is our premium head unit. Here's built-in equivalent of 200 watt amplifier on top to control the factory amplifier. So the sound in this car now is absolutely beautiful. We now just feel, oh my god, what should we do now?